Good morning, my name's Scott Hurt, and you're here at True Winery. Actually, it's the basement of my home, but my last name is Hurt, and my winery is Hurt spelled backwards, True. And we're going to bottle some wine today, and it's going to be a finer Wine Kit Blackberry that I started in November of last year. So, November, December, January, February, March, April. Now we're here in May. I've already bottled half of it. This will be the other half. I'll use my all-in-one wine pump. I have my bottles. Everything's been cleaned and sanitized. And believe it or not, I think that takes longer to clean and sanitize than the actual bottling and the winemaking. And then cleanup. Cleanup's not too bad, especially with the all-in-one wine pump, because you only have one hose that you're real concerned about, and we'll clean it real good. But the bottles have all been sanitized. I did that a few minutes ago, and just to show you, this will be the Blackberry, and we're going to put it down here on the floor, and because it needs to be lower than our workspace. That way it will pump up the wine. We're going to use this wine filler. And this thing's pretty amazing. Does a great job. If you looked at any of the other videos, you'll see that, this is what I use, and these 15 bottles should go pretty quick. And we're going to fire it up. It's going to make a little bit of noise, but you're going to be able to see what's going on. That's a little quick. We're going to back it off a little bit. All right, that first one was pretty quick. It has an adjustable airflow, so I'm able to adjust the airflow just a little bit. There we go. You slow it down. Look how thick it is. And it's Bodacious Blackberry is what I've got on my bottles. If you're not having fun bottling, if you're not having fun doing this, you need to quit. I put some sort of writing on all my bottles. Normally my logo. Occasionally what I'm bottling. Again, it's Bodacious Blackberry. It's bodacious, all right. I didn't bottle all at once because I thought maybe I would have to back sweeten more on the second half. And I'm going to get 30 bottles total. So I kept half of it in a 3-gallon carboy until I felt I was either ready to bottle, which is today, or I was ready to maybe even back sweeten more. And you can see it doesn't spill, which I'm a little impressed about that, even though I might have leaked a little bit on that bottle. You can fill them up really quick, or you can slow things down like I do. I'm in no big hurry. Got all day. And I only have 15 bottles. But what a ton of fun this is. And the finer wine kits make me feel more like a vintner or a winemaker. It's like, oh wow. After I bought the Blackberry Finer Wine Kit, It's like, okay, this is pretty cool. Let's take it to the next level. And I bought a Grenache Rosé, a Pinot Noir, a Tavola. I bought a Forte Syrah and a Forte Pinot Noir and a Tavola Syrah. So this is, I'm 5 into the finer wine kits. That's how much I like them and how cool I think they are. Faith, hope, and love. You got to put something on your bottles, some kind of sticker, label, something. You have to have something. This is the original sticker that it came with, and I didn't care for that. So I made my own. And this is Japanese, and my name is Scott, and that says Scott's Wine in Japanese. But Bodacious Blackberry, that's what we did today. I think that this is going to turn out like the first 15 bottles. It's going to be amazing. Different than anything I've done before. But you can see it's a full-bodied, not a sweet wine. I originally thought might be a little bitter, but it's good. If I could make Blackberry like this every time, I would. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll talk again when the Grenache Rosé gets bottled.